Okay, hello there, my name is Maya Zhang from University 101, and my topic here today is known as the unknown ocean depths. And the reason I wanted to research about this topic is because I find it mysterious and it's really highly unknown in that part of the world. It's like a whole new different planet that we're still researching about. So the first article I read about is known as Foraging in the Darkness of the Southern World. It is written by Jay Garcia, Francois Royal, Anne Dragon, Morgan Villiant, and Frey Bullock, and Christopher Gunick. And typically, I believe that it was interesting because it raised questions about how these deep sea creatures are able to find their prey, how they're able to adapt to these environments. And one of the reasons why is because some of these organisms are able to have photophores. And what photophores are is that they are like producing organs in themselves. And one of the things that I learned is that these deep sea creatures, like such as jellyfish, they are transparent, meaning you can see right through them. They have no sort of color because it's so deep in the ocean and the sun is unable to reach in this part of the world. So, and then my next article that I read about is known as the unique undersea creatures found deep in Antarctica water. It is written like a newspaper article in April 2001 in the regional business news. So it was interesting because it's kind of like these unknown creatures are able to survive in these volcanic vents, and not like they get their energy from these vents and not from the sun, because it's so part, like I said before, the sun is unable to reach in these lower parts of the world, so they get their energy from the underwater vents. And these organisms can survive in these very hot temperatures, so which is very highly interesting as well. The last article I read about was from SL. It is known as The Creature Lights, written in 2012. It just basically stated how these deep sea creatures are able to initiate lights to help attract their prey, to court another mate, or to fend against predators. These fishes I read about, these fishes have like bacteria behind their eyes which can radiate a specific kind of color light that they wanted. And basically that purpose is to attract prey or again court another mate. And what I learned is that these all these sorts of creatures all have to adapt to this environment, but having a natural trait about themselves, such as illuminating eyes. And question to further my research is how these deep sea creatures are able to adapt to these environments, and what kind of adaptations they are able to have to use in this environment. And why I believe that matters in this topic is because if we understand what's going on in the past, we can further use it in the future and be aware of our surroundings. And again, the second reason is that we have like earthquakes and cracks in these ocean plates occurs in these kind of areas, so knowing it can help us prepare ahead of time, know what's going on. Last thing I believe that is important to why this topic matters is because it remains sustainability for everyone's own safety. So understand what's going on and maintaining it is for everyone's own safety. So like I said again, my name is Maya Zhang, and my topic is known as unknown ocean depth, and thank you again for watching.